Verifying your account on Saxo Bank is an essential step to ensure the security of your trading activities. Follow these steps to complete the verification process smoothly. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Saxo Bank website and click on the Open an Account button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number to create your account. Step 2. Provide identification. Prepare the necessary identification documents. Typically, you will need a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement. Step 3. Upload documents. Log into your Saxo Bank account and navigate to the verification section. Upload the scanned copies or clear photos of your identification documents as prompted by the platform. Step 4. Complete the questionnaire. Fill out any additional questionnaires or forms that Saxo Bank may require. This may include questions about your financial status, trading experience, and investment goals. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents and completing the forms, wait for Saxo Bank to review your application. You will receive an email notification once your account has been successfully verified. Once you have completed these steps, your account will be ready for trading. Make sure to keep your information updated and secure for future transactions.